In this video, I will show you how to use your Canon camera as a webcam for online meetings, video conferencing, and live streaming using just a USB cable. No video capture card required. Roll intro. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Osborne Chin. I'm a wedding and portrait photographer based in Jamaica. On this channel, I explore all things photography, videography, gear reviews, tutorials, and tips and tricks to help you become a better and more efficient photographer. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to use your Canon camera as a webcam using just a USB cable and a free software. Now, the global pandemic has affected life the way we know it, and it has changed the way we live, the way we work, the way we play, the way we do business, and most importantly, it has changed the way we communicate. Online meetings, video conferencing, and live streaming have all become the new norm for communicating at every level, from governments to offices to schools to families. This transition has been embraced by the entire world, and we see more and more persons becoming familiar with the technology that facilitates this new reality. Our computers and smartphones all have cameras that allow us to seamlessly connect and interact with others. However, in most cases, the quality is very poor and we have little to no control over how the image looks. Thankfully though, if you already have a DSLR or a mirrorless camera that was made in the last 6 years or so, you can now use this camera as a webcam for high definition video. Typically though, in order for you to use this, you would need a video capture card, like a Camlink or any other third-party capture cards. If you own a compatible Canon camera, then you no longer need a video capture card. Here is a list of all the cameras that are supported with this software. All you need is a USB cable and Canon's EOS Webcam utility software. Canon had initially released a beta version earlier in the year, but has since released the official versions for both Windows and Mac. So, how do you set this thing up? Well, first of all, you want to visit the service and support page on the official Canon website and download the software. I'll put a link in the description below where you can download it. You will then need to choose your operating system and the Canon camera model that you're using for your webcam. For this tutorial, I'm using a Mac, but if you're on Windows, you can choose the Windows version. Once you've downloaded the software, you can go ahead and install it onto your computer. Quick note, if you already have the beta version installed, you will need to uninstall it before installing the official version. Once installed, restart your computer. Now go ahead, turn on your camera, put it in movie or video mode and select your recording settings. I recommend using a setting of 1080p at 24 frames per second. Now connect your camera to your computer using your USB cable. Next, you want to open up your favorite video conferencing or streaming application. The official webcam utility supports these right here. Go to the camera settings in the application and choose your desired webcam. For this tutorial, I'm using Zoom since it's one of the most popular applications. You should then see an option for EOS webcam utility in the drop-down list. Select it and voila! You are now using your Canon camera as a webcam. Be sure to dial in the right exposure settings for your camera, the best looking image. I highly recommend getting a good light source for even better image quality. If you want to go the extra mile, you can also use an external microphone for even better audio quality to go along with your professional looking video. I will be doing a series of videos on getting the best audio for your videos, so subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on all this good stuff. So here's what it looks like with just my built-in webcam. As you can see, it isn't the best. Now, here's what it looks like with my Canon camera using the EOS webcam utility. What a huge difference! If you have a zoom lens, you can zoom in and out, and you can change the depth of field or the autofocus nature of the background by changing your aperture in the camera. Canon has also given us the additional functionality of recording the footage onto your memory card by hitting the record button on the camera. They have also increased the number of compatible cameras from 25 in the beta version to 42. Now that's awesome. Thanks Canon. One quick thing to note. If you plan to have a long meeting, please ensure that you have enough batteries so that you can change out your batteries if your battery dies. Also, if you're using the Canon R5 or the R6, your camera may overheat if the video is recording for longer than 45 minutes at any one time. If you have a way to provide extended power to your camera, like using a dummy battery or a charging brick, then that might be a viable option as well. So guys, that's all I have on this super quick tutorial on how to use your Canon EOS camera as a webcam using Canon's webcam utility and a USB cable. Don't forget to check out my next video where I will show you how to use your Sony camera as a webcam. I hope you found this video useful and helpful. If you did, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on my future videos and tutorials. Take care guys, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, one love, big up on yourself.